Hello mga kasyo. I'm done to latest version of Sonoma 14. See, Sonoma 14. I'm done. Our RC is done to Sonoma 14. I'm done to download the latest update of Mac OS, and be sure to update. You download open core paths, and need to download the update the Sonoma, and you need to transfer first the USB, and need to patient is needed, because downloader is very takes a long time. Then you patient. See.